Feeling overwhelmed, caught in a storm of stress, tension, or mental fog? Let me show you a secret that many overlook. An ancient rhythm, still powerful today. In just minutes, you can awaken energy, restore balance, and calm your mind with a simple movement known as White Tiger Qigong. You don't need equipment. You don't need experience. You only need breath and presence. If that sounds like something you need, then stay right here. In this video, we'll explore the ancient practice of Qigong, engaging in a sequence designed to bring clarity and calm. This ancient practice has been used for centuries to calm the body, clear one's mind, and cultivate feelings of serenity. The best part is that it only takes a few minutes. To begin with, take a comfortable standing posture. Feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees slightly and lower your center of gravity. Let's start with this basic posture and breath work. Position your hands, palms facing down, fingers forming tiger claws. Try to inhale for a count of 4 to 6 as you clench your hands, creating a fist and drawing them up the center of your body towards the sky, opening your palms and forming tiger claws with your palms facing the sky, and raising your chin to peer through the fingers. Pause. Now reverse the motion while exhaling down to the beginning position to start again. Repeat this a few times. I'll be right here with you. Qigong remains an excellent exercise for beginners because it's easy to learn and requires no special equipment. Remember, you can always return to this video repeatedly. Repeat as many repetitions as often as you need over the next 21 days. You can follow along in the video for those days, and each session that you do will bring you one step closer to cultivating and maintaining mental clarity as well as inner calmness. Remember to breathe and move through the motions slowly. Experience firsthand the power of Tiger Qigong. Continue to follow. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to pause at the bottom and top. This moment belongs to you. This is a great exercise to do on your lunch break, first thing in the morning, or you can use it as an exercise the last part of the evening before you go to bed. Keep going, stay focused. We're halfway there. If you find your mind wandering, bring it back to the breath. Notice the sense of calm that you feel in this moment. You can slow your breath down even further, especially on the exhale. Remember, you can return to this video as many times as you like to master the motions. Try this for 21 days. And after 21 days, let me know in the comments how it's working for you. And there are many Qigong sequences. This is one of several hundred different types of sequences. Qigong has a long history. is considered a motion meditation from the Chinese traditional medicine heritage. As we come to our last few sets, take notice of how you feel. Let me know in the comments below your experience. Good work, my friend. Now you have experienced firsthand the power of Qigong. How do you feel? Again, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share with a friend. You can also join my community by subscribing and clicking that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. Lastly, if you want other Qigong sequences, check out these similar videos. Don't hesitate, try it now. I go by the name Kansura, the Kung Fu Creative. It's been a pleasure teaching you. Stay inspired. And until next time, stay inspirational.